I want to show you really quickly how to increase your sales, or at least increase the traffic to whatever you are promoting, or increase your online reputation by basically having an email introduction, email signature.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
Right, so I'm going to show you how to set it up in Gmail. In all the other ones, it's pretty similar. And so what you do is basically when you send an email, like you compose, and a signature will appear, and you can do it. So in Gmail, it's like this. You go to this little settings tab, you click it, and you go to settings. You choose settings, and you scroll down, 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 and right here you'll have a signature area, and you'll say yes, you want a signature. And I have some things that I'm ready to copy and paste. You can have your product page, your, maybe if you wrote a book, your link to your book. If you have an e-commerce website, link to your e-commerce site, anything like that. You can have a link to your website. I would recommend having the Twitter because it's the easiest thing for people to engage in. I would recommend having the LinkedIn only after, and same with Twitter, only after it makes you look good, right? You want to point to places where people will be like, wow, this person is legitimate, and of course, if you sell something, definitely it's a good idea to point people to that, because obviously that can get them interested and increase your sales. And that's just one thing that anyone can do to start, generating more traffic today, right? As soon as you do this, the next email you send out, you have a chance for a person to go and click on your, whatever it is that you want them to click on, whatever is more valuable for you. So give this a try, add an email signature to your email, and just immediately increase traffic, which is great.